Good morning, everybody. Woo-hoo. So, we've got a haul this morning. So, I hope you all are doing well. And if you're new to the channel, please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're a comer backer, good morning. Please like and comment. And yeah, let's get started. We've got groceries and other stuff. So, first I want to do this and get it out of the way because it's smelly. We've got 8 bars of lever, and I got this at Walmart for $5.78, so I didn't think that was too bad for 8 bars of soap. I got 2 cans of white crab meat, also at Walmart for $2.98. I had ordered 4, and for whatever reason, they were separated into 2s in the order for shipping, and it said delayed and then got canceled. So 2 got canceled, but I've got 2 to add to my other crab stash. I got this 1 pound 9 ounce can of corned beef hash, and it was, I believe, $3.98, also at Walmart. And concerning Walmart, you might be getting ripped off. If you've ever had an order and it's gone awry for whatever reason, you had to get a refund, you may get the email stating you're going to be issued a refund, but you need to go through your bank statements and make sure that you actually had the refund go to your bank. I've not had one refund go through, so I will not be ordering from Walmart anymore unless I physically go into the store. So you really need to be checking your Walmart refunds and making sure that those are hitting your bank, because I'm out of pocket quite a bit. And I had ordered a case of peas. I still have the peas, green beans, and corn for $6.98 on the website. And I ended up with a sweatshirt, Slaya, something, Super Slaya or something like that for children. And when I called to rectify it, they said they would replace the peas. I asked them, well, what do you want me to do with the sweatshirt? They said just keep it or donate it. And they charged me for the peas and then said, well, it'll go back to your bank once it's delivered. That money will never get to my bank, I guarantee you. So I just paid about $14 for a case of peas, and I'm going to have to go round and round to get my money. So you may want to be checking to make sure, because I think people get the email and then they assume, oh, okay, I got the money. You need to check your bank statements. So I got this Armour dried beef because we like SOS, stuff on a shingle. So we like that real well. So I got another jar of this. This is hard to come by. I don't even think you can find the Hormel anymore. I got my husband this. How many come in here? I don't know how many packs are in here. It's 150 servings. I don't know how many are in here. I'm going to say about 12. 10 or 12 packs of gum. And these were on sale on Amazon for $4.73. So I didn't think that was too bad a deal, and he likes his extra peppermint gum, and he hasn't been able to get it at Sam's lately. So I just randomly, I don't even know how I came across that, to be honest, on Amazon. I didn't put in gum. I got the Takis taco shells. These are $1.99 at Walmart. At our Walmart. I got some Spaetzle, and it was $2.99. And that's just another type of pasta you can add to your preps. I have several of these in my stash, and they're nice to have if you do like Wiener Schnitzel or goulash, Hungarian dishes, German dishes, things like that. So Spaetzle's fun to add for something a little different. I got this corned beef. It was $4.97. I got a jar of the beef flavor bouillon because you want to have all that bouillon to flavor your stuff. It keeps longer than the better than bouillon and other things. I got this Chipotle chicken bowl. It was on sale for $1.99, and they had their I think it was the beef one. They have the beef one on sale too. I've not tried those, so I only got one. I got a bag of bay leaves. I don't know how much is in here because a lot of these, the packaging is not in English. This one is right here, but it doesn't give the weight. But it was $2.99 on Yami, YAMI website. I got these. If you like the chili oil, these are the chilies where you can make your own fried chili oil. So I got these to put on the shelf, so if I run out of what I have, I can make my own. I got some star anise, and that's just to use in recipes. We like Chinese real well, so we may as well make more of it at home because going out is just way too expensive. This is sweet and sour sauce, but it's all in Chinese or whatever, so I have no idea what the directions are. There's no English anywhere, so I'm going to have to figure it out. I'm sure you mix it with water somehow. So maybe one of my neighbors will be able to read it, or I can have my husband take it to work. We have a gal out there that's Chinese. She might be able to read it. I got some Tillamook, and these were all on sale for $1.99 or $2.99. I think I paid for the bay leaves, which you can't beat that deal on the bay leaves. They were all sale items. I got on there for 2 specific items, and these popped up in the side on sale, so you can always use bay leaves in like your soups and stews and things like that when we start making stuff for winter or using a lot of our preps and soups and things like that. Bay leaves are really helpful for flavor. So I got this at Sam's. My husband actually picked it up. I don't know what they're charging for this now, probably more than what I would have paid. So I don't know what he paid for that, and I probably don't want to know. And that will be grated and portioned up and put in the freezer. This is sweet bean paste to use in some Chinese recipes. Sorry. I feel like I'm having an asthma attack. This is sesame paste, also to use in some homemade Chinese food. Some cheese whiz. This was $3.98. And this is just cheese stash, all things cheese to put on the shelf. My husband also picked up the mozzarella cheese at Sam's. It will also be portioned up and put in the freezer. And then I have these sent to me from California. It's just a salami I grew up on and I like really well. So these will also be portioned. I got 4 of them. I have to have my mom or somebody send me this stuff from my brother because you can only buy it on the West Coast. So each one of these is a pound. Well, 15.2 ounces. And they'll be portioned up and put in the freezer as well. So I got 4 of those. And then I got a big box. I got this on Amazon in my subscribe and save. It is the unscented trash bags, and for some reason it's really hard to get unscented trash bags these days. Don't know why, but the scented ones, they kill me. They do what I just had happen, the asthma thing. I don't know what it is about them. And then I got all of these seeds from Urban Garden Seeds, and they're all heirloom seeds. So I got watermelon, asparagus, eggplant, tomato, cucumber, celery, mustard, greens, beet, cabbage, bok choy, sugar pod peas, bush beans, peas, leeks, acorn squash, collard greens. They've done really well this year. I got to pick more and can them. Garlic chives, cantaloupe, green bean, and regular chives. And they sent a couple of stickers and a thank you card. And on the back of the thank you card, it has the days to maturity, the variety, how, sow depth, row distance, plant distance. So it's got all that. So if you need heirloom seeds and you're having trouble finding them, Urban Garden Seeds seem to have a lot of seeds. So yeah, that is my haul today. And I'm going to put all this stuff away, try and get a nap. I don't know what's going on with the neighbors behind me, but they were really loud, and I don't think anybody slept last night, so hopefully everything's okay. So yeah, I will see you all soon. Check those bank statements if you deal with Walmart and have ever had to have a refund. Make sure you actually receive that refund. And you all stay safe, you stay healthy, and I will see you in the next video.